My name is Richard Finnegan, and I will be presenting a business strategy screencast on California Kicks. California Kicks is focused on gaining market share year over year, improving shoe quality while maintaining affordable prices, increasing total revenue year over year, and exceeding investors' expectations when it comes to return on equity, earnings per share, stock price, credit rating, and image rating. Out of the 5 generic competitive strategies, California Kicks utilize best cost provider strategy. Advantages of being a best cost provider include selling a higher volume of products, consumers receiving a good value for their purchases, and a large target market. Disadvantages of being a best cost provider include smaller margins, the risk of a competitor easily entering your market, and a competitor undercutting your prices, leading to a loss in market share. California Kicks started off very slow and finished last in overall company ranking in year 11. This was caused by the expansion of production facilities and the mispricing of products. From year 11 on, California Kicks was able to improve in almost every single category. As you can see, by year 13, California Kicks was able to take over the top revenue spot. In years 14 through 16, California Kicks was able to grow rapidly as they refined their prices and expanded their facilities to handle the demand. By year 15, California Kicks was able to max out their credit and image rating, which helped their revenue, earnings per share, stock price, and return on equity as they were able to sell more product. At the end of year 16, California Kicks was able to not only accomplish the total revenue spot, but had revenue so high that it was 2 times as high as its closest competitor. We can see the same trends here in market share as California Kicks has grown rapidly in each area every year. California Kicks was even able to reach over 50% in market share in Latin America by the end of year 16, which is a huge leap from year 11, where they only had 10%. The strengths of California Kicks in recent years has been SQ rating, image rating, credit rating, and total revenue. As you can see, California Kicks had many weaknesses that have become strengths. As for weaknesses in California Kicks, the first few years they had trouble with image rating, return on equity, market share, and SQ rating. In year 12, they also had trouble in total revenue and EPS. But from year 13 to 16, there was no weaknesses that can be found. For future strategy, California Kicks will continue to become a best cost provider. They will also use excess cash to buy back stocks, cut margins lower by lowering price to gain more market share, and continue their focus on internet and the wholesale segments. Thank you.